Don't touch it.
What's it?
Magtanaw ro ko.
Thing on this. What I like to do is exercise. And also,
Oh, you like drawing.
And also experiments.
Experimental. Experimental.
And also Pluto. I
Pluto?
want science Pluto.
Where's Pluto?
Because Pluto is gone.
Oh, it's gone. Asa? Where's the Pluto?
And I thought it was destroyed.
Oh, where is it? It's disappeared.
Considered to be what? People just take it away because it's dangerous. It's dark.
Ah, you can see because it's super far. Di, ang Pluto, nawa man sa listahan ng Pluto.
Kasi wala niyong characteristic niya as a planet.
Yes. At tara na, let's go. Goodbye to teacher. Bye-bye.
Oh.
In the school.
I want to do it in the house. Can I use it in the house? Can make stuff.
Come here. Bond paper.
Yay! Paper, 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 paper.
Blue and yellow. Here's the yellow. Okay. Wow. A picture you with Jollibee. Paste here. Look here. Okay. That's it.
Mom, this is smelly.